If you're liking this look, then keep on watching. Hey girlfriends, and welcome to the very first makeup tutorial from FNHROCKS, and I'm your girl, Lavinia Latham. So, you see these eyebrows here? Yeah, that's a no. I'm gonna go in with my medium brown Annabelle eyebrow pencil to shape the eyebrow first, and then to encourage the hairs to kind of move in the direction that I want the hairs to move. So using the little brush on the tip of your eyebrow pencil, lift the hairs up and then bring them out on the outward side of your face so that you can really brighten the face up. I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side, and I'm also going in with my spoolie to again encourage the hairs to go up and away from the face. You guys, if you're liking this episode, please feel free to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up because that would really help the channel out. Now, I'm also gonna go in on my eyebrows again with my L'Oreal Voluminous Original in the blackest black to kind of give those hairs some dimension. Again, I'm going right back in with that spoolie brush to lift the hairs and to encourage them again to move in the direction that I want it to move. You want dimension. Dimension is beautiful and it's gonna give you exactly what you're looking for. Now, I'm going in with my Stila One Step Correct. It's a skin tone correcting and brightening serum, and it pretty much color corrects. So if you've got different skin tones, you've got different shading on your face, this is definitely going to kind of smooth it all out and give you one solid, smooth look, which is exactly what we're going for before we go ahead and apply our foundation. So apply it on the skin just like a cream so you get an even application as a foundation. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely go ahead and hit up that subscribe button because it really helps the channel out. Now we're going in with the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It's super coverage and I have it in the color Butterscotch. You're gonna use the wand that comes with the concealer to apply that to your eyelid. So going on in, I'm kind of applying it quite thick here. It looks crazy, but not to worry because we're gonna go in with our Sephora Flawless Airbrush, that's the Pro line, in the number 56, to really use that product and get it underneath the eyebrow, but also across the entire lid in as even of an application as possible. So the purpose of this is to make sure that you have a nice base to apply those bright colors on so that they pop and they really stand to attention. After you kind of slide the product on, you want to blot the product into your eyelid rather, even more. And then we're gonna start with the application using the Morphe R37 brush. So I'm using the Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette, and the first color I'm going in with is a very true red. It's called Mad, and you really wanna tap it really lightly because a little bit of color goes a long way. So going into your eyelid crease, you're gonna apply that application, you're gonna apply that product rather, to the eye crease, and in kind of like a windshield washer type movement. Then, commercial break. Okay, I got something really exciting for you guys. As of Monday, June 1st, I am actually providing very affordable curl coaching services. So many of you have reached out to me saying that you don't know where to start, you have no idea how to go about developing a regimen for your fine natural curls. And you know what? I'm here to help you guys. In order for me to give you that individualized attention, in order for me to really be there for you and to walk with you every step of the way, I'm offering curl planning services. You can find the link in the comment box below and hit me up and let me know if curl planning is something that you want. In curl planning, I'm going to be able to walk you through pretty much everything to do with your regimen. Is that you really don't want to be following my regimen. You don't want to be following anybody else's regimen, to be honest with you, except your own. So if that's something you need help with, then definitely let me know. Going back in with the mod, I'm picking up only a little bit of pigment because a little truly does go a long way. So again, using that windshield wiper motion to concentrate the color in the crease of your lid and to really make sure that you're getting that pigment transfer onto the crease of your lid. So you'll see me go back and forth with it. I'm pretty much, I guess, a self-professed perfectionist. So don't be afraid to go back and forth on both of them with the same pigment, because again, like, these colors are really pigmented. A little truly does go a very, very long way. Now I'm actually gonna go in for the mini. So that's a darker red. And I'm actually going to apply that underneath the pigment. So the first pigment that I applied, I'm now going in underneath it to kind of give a really nice, a transfer ombre effect with the two colors. This works really well for beginners because the colors are so similar to each other that it's really hard to kind of go astray. So again, I picked up some more pigment to build that color on up. I wanted a little bit more pigment at the top, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Now I'm going in with my, this is the regular eyeshadow brush, and I used Modest to kind of create that sunset look. So you want to kind of use like a packing motion to pack the color onto your lid so that you get that nice sunset look. So I'm actually going in back and forth. I went into the palette a couple of times. Don't be afraid to do that. For the winged eyeliner look, I did it off camera. If you guys want a tutorial, let me know and I'll put that together for you guys for sure. Now I'm going in again with my mascara to, give my eyelashes some color, some pop, some dimension. I'm not using falsies today, but usually if you wanted to even give this look even more of a look, you would definitely go ahead and add some eyelashes to it. What do you guys think so far? Are you guys liking this? Let me know in the comment box below. Now I'm going in with my tinted moisturizer. You could definitely use your foundation instead. I like the tinted moisturizer because I don't feel like I need as much coverage. This is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, and I have it in Seychelles, which is a medium dark tone. I'm using the Pro Flawless Airbrush from Sephora again in the number 56 to really disperse that product across my face. As you can see, I'm using kind of like a rounded motion to buff it into the skin. This really helps for it to go on the pores quite nicely. I do have some hard lines there, and I'm going to show you exactly how to blend that out once you get to that part. So again, you want to put it on your hand to warm up the product. Once you warm up the product, it's actually a lot easier to spread on your face and apply to your skin, and it goes into the pores a lot more easily as opposed to just applying it directly from the tube. So going in and, really blending it out and buffing it into the skin as much as possible for a flawless look. Now with those hard lines, you can use your fingers to kind of get rid of that. It's all about the blend. Always about the blend, yeah. Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty. I have it in Cinnamon Bun. It's an easy bake loose baking and setting powder. I'm going in with my, I have no idea what to call this brush, you guys. It's a big fluffy brush. I'm sure you guys have seen it. I'm using a lot of product here because I really want to set the foundation in. I want that flawless airbrush look, and so you really want to pat the setting powder onto your skin and let it sit there for a while so that it can, as the makeup world calls it, bake. So going on in, making sure I'm not missing any places at all. Now I actually went to my Naked Urban Decay Heat palette. Sorry I didn't get a shot of that for you guys, but kind of going in with their ounce color to define underneath the brow. You guys, I really love using those highlighters to highlight underneath the brow bone because it lifts the eyebrow, it corrects any mistakes that you might have made, and it also gives an opportunity to blend it out into the eyeshadow so everything can look smooth. I went back into that palette with Ashes. I'm gonna use this to contour my nose. So you wanna start at the top of your nose and bring the pigment all the way down. If you went in too dark in the way that I went in too dark, don't worry, there's an easy fix for this. You definitely can go back in and blend it on out with that big brush that I showed you before. And if that's not working, you can go in with your finger and kind of blend it out some more. So it's a process, you guys, but there's no hard and fast, perfect way to doing any of this. You really just want to make sure things are blended and looking right. So I'm really happy right now. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling good. I'm dancing. Like, y'all, have fun with it. Now, using my base shadow brush, I'm actually going to go into my highlighter. This is the matte gold deposit, and I'm applying it to my nose. You want to apply it to your nose in a very, like, just add it to the tip and kind of like press it on. Then go back into that same highlighter. I'm using the 120 highlight brush from Fenty Beauty in the same pigment to apply it to my cheekbones and to really just blend it down and towards my cheek and then back up and towards my hairline. So you can do this as many times as you like. Again, the key here is to build the product up. The more you build the product up is the more beautiful and natural the glow is gonna be. Avoid being heavy-handed for sure. Now I'm going into my MAC Apple Red Blush, and I'm using my blush brush. See, I know the name of this one. To apply that to the cheeks. I'm now gonna work on my lips. This is Chestnut from MAC. So starting at your Cupid's bow, go on in with the lip liner, and you want to create on that bottom lip and even on the top too, actually, the shape that you would like. So if you're looking for plumper lips, then overline it and go outside the line of your lips. I've got pretty full lips, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply within the lines to kind of take advantage of the fullness of my lips that I naturally have and to line them in the shape that I would like. So you don't need to be perfect with this, just literally fill it on in. Now I'm going back in with my NYX lingerie line. This is a nude color. You can use any nude to fill it in. It's going to actually dry matte, which is fantastic. So really blend it on in to your lips and let it dry. Give it that opportunity to dry. Now I'm going back in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on my waterline, on my lower lashes rather, to give the eye some more dimension. It's all about dimension, it's all about drama. This is a totally wearable look during the daytime. Now that my lips have dried, I'm now applying my lip gloss to it. This is a lip gloss that I had purchased, or my mom rather, she purchased this for me years ago from Bath & Body Works, and it's been my ride or die since. Now I'm going in with my black, coal black, to give some more dimension even more. When you're lining your waterline, only line the outermost corners of your eyes because you want to make it appear that your eyes are super big and super doughy, if that's even a word. So I'm done, guys. What do you think of the final look? I'm getting there. Now that I'm pretty much finished, you're gonna go in with your NYX Dewy Finish. I love this setting spray, you guys. Like, it is bae. It truly is bae. So yeah, this is the done look with the setting spray and all. If you guys like this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up and also go ahead and subscribe. You can definitely check out my other videos. I've got a ton of hair tutorials and product reviews that I'm sure you guys will like. Bye!